Guys, welcome back to the channel. So lots been going on around here, some of which I've left out in the episodes and stories, but I'll spin you around here and bring you up to speed. So I'll start you off here. I've been busy looming and taping and cleaning and painting. Finally have underneath the hood of this old girl looking respectable again. I didn't want to bore you guys to tears with watching too much of this, because really all it is scrub, clean, paint, repeat. But yeah, things turned out really well under the hood. Now I also teased you guys a little bit at the start of this, but we've got paint on the block. Okay, so what's in store for this video? I am going to be putting the oil pickup, oil pan, lifters, valley cover, heads. I got new head bolts. These are torque to yield head bolts, so got to replace the bolts. And more or less get this motor set to be dropped back into its home between the wheel wells. So stand by, guys. Let's get after this. Alright guys, I'll try to give you a look at some of this port work here. These heads have really been opened up. The flow numbers came back around 300 CFM, so should work very well with this comp cam's thumper cam. We got the comp cam stiffer springs, all the valve guts. We had to replace all of the intake valves. They were beyond workable OEM spec. Also had to replace some of the valve guides. So we essentially have a brand new set of heads here. Okay guys, here's the final. Now I apologize, I did not film the water pump installation or any of the accessory brackets, but I think all that stuff's pretty self-explanatory. Water pump, 6 bolts. Accessories only go on one way. But everything went together really nicely. Got a new starter in there. These headers are just beautiful. Very, very good product from Doug's Headers. No scuffs or scratches to report. All my paint stood up. I painted bolts as well. Got the new plugs in, plug wires. Motor mounts are on and torqued. Everything's tight. Valves are set. So we're ready to go back between the fenders of this old girl. Okay guys, that's the end of another episode. Thanks very much for hanging out with me and watching. Yeah, it was a big day. It's late. I don't know what time it is here. Probably better part of midnight, but anyway, we're gonna leave it at that. So I will be dropping this engine back in the truck real soon, probably within the next couple of days. And then the fun begins. We get to tune it and take it for a rip, see how all our hard work paid off. So thanks for tagging along, guys. I appreciate you watching these, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.